Life, living and fiercely empowered, take 982. Today's topic, joy and pain, sunshine and rain. Today's lesson of inspiration from my spiritual workout this morning comes from a book entitled Words of Wisdom, Daily Quotes by Daisaku Ikeda, which I wanted to share with you before heading to my acupuncture session here down in Wall Street. Words of Wisdom, Daily Quotes by Daisaku Ikeda, which can be found on the web at ikedaquotes.org. And Daisaku Ikeda has this to say: hardships make us strong, quote. Problems give birth to wisdom. Sorrows cultivate compassion. Those who have suffered the most will become the happiest. So do not shy away from the challenges you face as you strive to make 2018 a year of brilliant achievement. And remember the words of Helen Keller, American author, political activist, lecturer, and the first deaf-blind person to earn a Bachelor of Arts degree. Quote, character cannot be developed in ease and quiet, only through experience and trial and suffering can the soul be strengthened, ambition inspired, and success achieved. Life, living it fiercely, empowered.